today we're just looking at the Store Protect add-on in Debutify. Really simple add-on here, stops people from copying your images and your text on your store. So let's have a look at how to set it up. So step one is just to scroll down to the theme settings and locate the Debutify Add-ons tab. Step two, find the Store Protect and then just activate the add-on. And then step three, just come back out into the theme settings and locate the Store Protect add-on. It's just at the bottom. And then we can do our customizations. And then once you're in here, you can just choose which one of these you want to disable. I personally just leave everything checked on. If you want to see it in demonstration, head into one of your pages and try to copy any of your text. You can see you can do it inside the editor. Let's go into the page itself. If we click and drag this while it's off, you can see I can drag the picture. But now I cannot drag this image anywhere. It's just one more step of security for your store. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.